In this video, I'll show you how to clean the printhead for your Epson EcoTank 2860 printer. Before we go ahead and actually clean the printhead, what we're going to do is print a nozzle check first. This will tell us if we actually need to complete a printhead cleaning because your problem might be unrelated. So to complete the nozzle check, go ahead and turn your printer off. Just press the power button once. Then just make sure that you have some paper inserted into the printer. And now with the printer turned off, you're going to hold in the power button and this button on the far right. At the same time, you're going to hold them in for 8 seconds. And that's going to complete the nozzle check. So once you let go, it's going to take around 15 seconds for the page to come out. And here it is. So what you're looking for in the top left is any breaks in these lines. So you can see that these lines are going the whole way across and there's no spaces or gaps in between them. This is how it should look. However, if there's any breaks in yours, then you'll need to do a print head cleaning. So you should only do this if it's necessary, and you shouldn't do it very regularly as it does use up quite a bit of ink. So first of all, just make sure that you have some paper loaded in the printer. Then with the printer turned on, come and hold in this button on the very far right. Hold it in for 5 seconds and that's going to clean the printheads, and then you will get another nozzle check paper that comes out the printer, and you should notice that the lines are all connected and there's no breaks between them. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.